Hey guys! Good evening! Welcome back to our series sa aming mga ongoing projects dito sa Cavite. Today, andito naman tayo sa Woodlands sa 13 Martires. And I'm showing you now our project here for Jasmine Unit, single attached. So here, in-extend namin yung likod at saka yung side. Dito sa harap, nag-concrete flooring tayo kasi dati itong unpaved lawn. So, mga lupa lang yan dati. So, ngayon yan, meron na siyang semento. Dito naman sa loob, fully finished. Meron na tayong marble tiles. Ang ating hagdan, may tiles din yan. Ang ating ceiling, meron tayong cove lights. Ginamitan din natin ng Hardiflex yan. And syempre, andyan na rin ang mga lightings. So, kung makikita nyo dun sa side na yun, yun yung magiging dining area nila. This one is the bar counter. Yan. Still showing you the wall designs. Aside from the paint, naglagay din tayo ng fluted panel and a small cabinet, display cabinet there. Dito naman, sa ating toilet, dati yung pintuan nandun sa side na yon, inilipat namin siya dito sa may bandang kitchen. So yan, nireposition namin lahat ng mga fixtures dyan, yung mga lababo, yung shower area. And here naman, ito yung sink, yung counter sink natin. So, dito pinalagay ng may-ari yung kanyang counter sink. And this area will serve as a service area, laundry area. Parang dyan siya maglalaba or kung ano man ang gustong gawin ng may-ari dyan. So, yan yung view kapag nandito ka sa kitchen. Ito yung bar counter na ginawa namin, made out of tiles, marble tiles din. Ito yung dining area niya, naka-cove light din yan. At, syempre, merong sliding door going to the garage. Ayan, let's go upstairs. And let's see what we have there. So, to tiles din ang ginamit namin dito sa parang semi-spiral, paakyat ng bahay. Tapos, dating may mga spaces yan in between the steps. So, tinakpan din namin yan para hindi bumabagsak yung mga alikabok at saka para mas maganda rin. Tiles din yung nilagay natin dito sa second floor. Ito naman para siyang wood design. Look at that. Naka-PVC panels tayo sa ating ceiling. And again, naka-cove lights tayo. Ayan, nakafix na rin yung mga lightings. Meron tayong centerpiece. Ayan. Gusto lang ng owner is plain white ang ating painting. Ayan, so this is the view from the master's bedroom. Yan yung space para sa garage mo. Ayan naman yung door. So we painted that gray. And now we're going to the second bedroom. Ayan. Okay din naman yung space niya. Not that big, but you know, for a small family, this is already big enough. Yung ceiling natin there is also PVC panels. Ayan, still showing you the outside. At ito yung ginamit natin na bubong here. Rip type na brown color, long span. Yan, matibay na yan kasi we used 0.5 para sa thickness niya. There, naka-cove light din and PVC panels. So, yan yung ating second floor. Now, we're going down. Tiles din yung ginamit natin sa lahat ng stairs natin, lahat ng steps. Yan. Ito ring gate is also included in the project. Kasama na rin yan sa package. That is just a simple gate made out of tubular. Kasi we base the design of the project. Depende rin syempre sa budget ng client natin. So, ayan guys. There you go. That's a Jasmine unit, single attach, fully finished. Painted, ceiling, tiles. Ayan. Yan yung dining area. And I'm showing you again the garage. There you go. Concrete